En este video voy a intentar Scorpions Still Loving You. Pero ya que estoy, mi amiga se compró un secador de pelo que anda muy bien. Se los voy a mostrar. Bixler. Muy bueno, ¿eh? Tiene frío, calor y distintas revoluciones. Está muy bueno. Time, it's a time that we make your love again. We're there, I will be there. Love, only love can break your bell, you lay. I will be there. I will be there. Fire, Belgian fire. So we make you love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love can break down the world someday. I will be there. I will be there. We're good again. All the world from the start. I will try to change the Texans still got a war. We'll hail the war. So strong, just can't get through. No real, no change. The star on again. On you. Qué lindo tocar las cuerdas de la guitarra con las cuerdas de la voz. Está buenísimo. Un buen entreno. Baby, try the trusty of me love again. I will be there. I will be there. Heart of love. Just young over again. I will be there. I will be there. And we'll go again. All the world from the start. I will try to change Down the steel gonna war. Now they're gone. The storm they can't break through. There's really no chance. The start again. Here we go again. All the way from the start. I real gotta change the days that we gotta love. Oh, where you pray, we'll go through that. Give him a chance. This count down the end. We loving you. Will you? Will you? Loving you. You love, you, it's the other you. Un saludo a Scorpions, el otro para ustedes. Ya les mostré el secador de pelo. Ya que estoy, Rexona, eficiente. Cantando se transpira mucho. Si van a hacer algún show, se los recomiendo. Luego subo otro vídeo de parte de Gel.